Ready? All right, everyone, this is lab, class 14 lab. In this lab, we're gonna do nodal analysis, all right? So for nodal analysis, this is the circuit over here. I have 5 resistors. This is the node A right here. And R1, you can see the R1 right here. R2 is right here. R3 is right here. R4 is the middle one here. R5 is right here. And this is the positive voltage coming in this node over here with 2 resistors. And this is the node here, have all 5 of them connected. And on the other side, this node is coming back to the reference. So this node is coming back to the reference here. So this is the reference A, you know that, right? So I need to supply 8 volts. I'm gonna go over here, make sure that I have 8 volts. So I'm gonna go 8 volts. Current is not limited. So that's your 8 volts. Now what I'm gonna measure? What I'm gonna measure over here, let me show you what I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna measure, I have all the measurement for the resistance here. I'm gonna measure 5 currents, right? I'm gonna measure 5 currents, I1, I2, I3, I4. So I1 will be on to this one here. I2 here, I3, I4, I5 here, right? So I'm going to measure all the currents for this node here, for this node right here, okay? So look back here, so go back here. So I1 is coming from here to this node. So I'm going to measure all the current in this node here. So to do that, that means what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically disconnect one by one from here to measure the currents, right? So I have my meter over here. Is at the DC current measurement, and I'm going to take this one on, put it back here. So that's the DC current measurement, and I'm going to turn on my circuit, right? Circuit is on, right? 8 volts coming out, and is there 42 milliamps coming out from the power supply. To measure each of the current over here, I have to basically take this end out one by one. So I take this one out here, right? So now I'm going to make this connection using my connector here. So I'm gonna so this is the open end right now. Look at that. I took the connection out. This is the open end. So I have to make this connection by incoming current coming through here. So I'm gonna connect that one, right? Let's I'm not touching anything else. Let's do that. Okay. Then making circuit through that. Now look at that. I have 21 milliamps going through that branch. That is my I1. So that is 21 milliamps, and you know what is going on here. You have to decide on that. It's entering or leaving the node. So for this one, I can tell you that it's entering the node, right? So I'm going to turn off the power supply here, remake my circuit, all right? And I'm gonna. So it's kind of difficult here to remake it. I'm going to remake this. Good. Then I'm going to take this one off here now. I'm going to use this tool here to do that. So my hand is too thick. Yep, good. So then I'm going to do I2 here, turn on, right? Then again, do the same thing over here, and use this little pin over here to go to that particular node here. Now I'm saying that I'm getting, again, 21 milliamps right there. Again, you know that is entering or going out, right? All right, then I'm gonna turn off the power supply again, then remake this node over here, and gonna go on the other side of the node. Good. Then I'm gonna take this one out here. See, that is not giving me an easy way of doing it. All right, that's fine. So that's so now this is open now. So now again, incoming current from this way. So my incoming node now on this side over here, and current going through this one here. So I can make the current and turn on. Then I can see I give 20 milliamps for that. So 20 milliamps. Now again, I'm turning off the power supply. We make the circuit, right? Good. Then take the next one out. Right here. So this next one on this side is connected, and this side is open here. So again, I'm gonna make this connection by using the meter. So meter incoming current coming here, outgoing going there, right? Then turn on the power supply. Now I'm getting 13 milliamps right there. This I4, right? Then turn off the power supply, build the circuit back. Good. The last one. So the last one over here. Then again, I'm gonna make this circuit with my pin. Again, I'm gonna make the circuit through the meter, through the multimeter. So here, so this is the outgoing current over here, and this is my incoming current right here. Turn off the power supply, and you can see that I have 0.9 milliamps there, so 9 milliamps. So that's all the measurement I have for you right here. You can look at all the measurement, all the resistor, all the voltage, current measurement for all 5 branches. So now you can do the analysis for your lab, and analysis follows in the next step. That's all you have for this lab. And again, said we have this node over here. We measured this current, this one. This one is I1 here. This one is I2 here. This is your I3. This is your I4. This is your I5. All right? All done. And I'll see you for the next lab.